Once a community is wired, it needs a connection.
This is Sunnydale, 4,000 residents throughout 800 units. Through those 800 units, there are 200 wireless routers bringing broadband access to a community a year ago that didn't have it. Whose job is it to keep them connected? Mine. It's broad daylight. As you can see, there are no kids playing outside. It's been 12 homicides since the beginning of the year, and it's only summer. In a community like this, the unemployment rate is about 35%. And for the young people, it's about double that. They say knowledge is power, then it starts with information. That's why I'm here, to keep this community, my community, connected so that they can have broadband access whenever they need it. I'm Daniel Carter, and I'm a digital connector.